When's the last time somebody came and seen you?
Oh, God.
It's been a while.
It's been a minute. Yeah, they said they was going to move it a couple of months ago. I want to say that was September.
Protocol now, every time we come out, we got tough. Yeah, but it's good. You good?
You're good. It's going to happen every time they come out.
Every time we come out.
You just put them on, take them off. That's all.
But if they've been good with you, man?
Yeah, it goes off while I'm at work. It depends on the day. I work retail at an optometrist's office, so I get different schedules every week. Or people, I've been like training some of the new people, and like they work-wise, yeah, it's been fine. It's just
Yeah, keep talking. I'm listening, man. Permanent schedule with help instead of a fluctuating.
I need to make sure I literally work there and stuff. I figured the pay stub would be enough, but like they gotta make. Yeah, you gotta have it, and it's a lot. And I'm like, I got the pay stubs and proving I'm working. Like, another issue is that they kept calling the customer service line instead of my boss. I just send the email. Between that and the fact that I get beacon violations while I'm asleep at the like deductive reasoning, it's a snowstorm, you know it don't work in the snow. I've been home every single time. Stop waking me up, I got work. Like I got the 24th of this month. I have no idea. We've been continuing the case for 2 years now. I've been on this for 2 years.
You been on for 2 years?
Almost, I've been on.
Alright?
You have a good one.
Have a good one, man.
Thank you.
Have a good one.